Hey Bugs, it's Mike B sitting in the Ivanhoe Community Garden on this beautiful day admiring one of my plants. But the story behind this plant, this African Purple Tree Collard, is quite unique because it goes back to our trip in Oakland in which we toured a couple of the community gardens, and one in particular which highlighted the African Purple Tree Collard, in which I was able to obtain seed from this rare and unique plant. Check it out.
This is indigenous to Africa. The original seed was brought over on a slave ship by a slave, and that the genome can be traced from purple tree collards all over the U.S. to that one source.
So we're going to be able
for the most
to
part.
contact you when you harvest seeds to get seeds from
I have
you.
seeds harvested in there. I can
That was very cool. So what I was able to do earlier in the year was able to pot up some of those seeds. Now, not all of them made it, but a few of them did, and they turned into some very nice, sturdy, strong plants. But the really cool thing, I was able to introduce this collard to our market in Kansas City at the Ivanhoe Farmers Market. Check out the clip. Elijah has something very special today for our #1 customer. It took us a long time to get these going. This was a very hard project, but we have the African Purple Tree Collard, possibly the only one in Kansas City, going to our first customer. Probably the only one ever grown in Kansas City. Look at that beautiful purple stem down on those collards right there. This is going to be very special.
Okay.
And Dee Dee, you're gonna cook these up real nice, right?
I'm gonna cook them up real nice.
And then come back next week and let us know how they taste, how they turned out.
I'm
for
gonna
all
put my
of
foot in
the,
these.
all
I
of
got
the
the
people
ham
out
hocks
there.
waiting. I got the good garlic in the basket.
And now you got your garlic, you got your basket of stuff, your beets.
Look at this
You got your garlics.
Yeah.
I know how to cook these.
Look at this pot of garlic.
Oh, nice.
Let me see. Smells like garlic?
Oh,
Yep, that's how garlic smells.
vegetable.
All right, say bye, Elijah.
Bye.
So the cool thing about it was not only were we able to introduce a new variety, this African Purple Tree Collard, to Kansas City, but I was also able to grow it from seed, increasing the seed diversity. This is the only one like it in the world. Very cool. As you can see, the original tag, KC Bugs. I started this in the greenhouse on 4/16. I didn't get a lot of them to grow, but this one took off. I originally started with 2. That one didn't make it. But as you can see, this is a wonderful plant that can be traced back to Africa. And it's so beautiful, and it just tastes so excellent. And as you can see, it's doing very well. Little bug damage, but very little bug damage. Now what we'll do is we'll leave this plant in until it hopefully goes to seed, and then we'll take those seeds, plant those, and hopefully get even more seed diversity, which is key to sustaining our way of life. Of course, I'd like to take a moment to thank all of our sponsors and all of the people who supported KC Bugs and all that we do, and a couple of other sponsors in which you're seeing right now, who, without their help, none of this would have been possible.